me, it's really all about this feeling. Going through the car wash, the big soapy brushes, the big rinsey water to the face. Splash, 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 rinsey. We're scrubbing. We're getting clean. It's the first wash of the new spring season. Warm. The cold winter's behind us now. The frozen days are behind us. There used to be like Elmo and Big Bird. Now it looks like Elmo's still here, but it's not quite the same as it used to be. That's okay. Looks like they're closed Easter Sunday. I get that. You want to spend that day with your family, maybe washing your car in your driveway, not in a big machine, mechanical factory with a wind that slams you in the face. A big silver van in front of you peels out, heading somewhere crazy like Grand Theft Auto. To be honest, I just got the basic wash. That's all I can afford. Hopefully I can make some more money this springtime. Wow. The thing in the baby chair really says it all.